When a female is pregnant, she is particular about what she eats, what she drinks, what she should do, what she should not do, how she should sit, how she should sleep. But very rarely, a female who is pregnant is particular about the vaccination she should be taking in pregnancy. So here I am, Dr. Aditi Godbole, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist from Borneo Hospital. I'll be taking you through the journey of your vaccination during the pregnancy. After surviving the most large pandemic, I will say the huge pandemic of COVID, we should be bothered what generation we are bringing into the society. For that, vaccination during pregnancy is recommended by all the health associated administrations like CDC, like ACOG. They are recommending the vaccination during the pregnancy. Now, first we will start with which vaccines we should be taking during the pregnancy. First and foremost, traditionally known to everyone, the vaccine is tetanus toxoid, TT vaccination. Every institution, whether it's a government, it's a private, the TT vaccination is available. Every female who is pregnant either should be given the tetanus vaccination on the registration time or at least in the second trimester, at least 2 doses. If the previous pregnancy is within the 5 years, then the second dose can be skipped. Second most important vaccination which we have come up with the TT plus Tdap. Tdap is the vaccination which is a combination of tetanus, diphtheria and pertussis. A pregnant female is bringing a whole new generation into the society. So it is a responsibility of all the healthcare workers to make her aware how the healthy baby born will remain healthy throughout. Tdap vaccination is given for that same purpose. Tdap vaccination is giving the immunity for the mother and the baby against tetanus and also for the respiratory diseases which can occur in the baby in the future. So we are here preventing the respiratory infections occurring during childhood, and that way we will be preventing that morbidity in the newborn babies and the pediatric population. The third important vaccine which can be availed during the pregnancy is the swine flu vaccination. Always remember, flu vaccines previously used to come in the active form, that's a live form which was in nasal drops. That has been banned during the pregnancy. Only the injectable vaccination for the flu, that's influenza, swine flu, is advocated during the pregnancy. The Tdap vaccination and swine flu vaccinations both can be taken during 7th and 8th month of the pregnancy or any time during the pregnancy if it has not been given to the patient. Another most important thing a pregnant female should remember is which vaccination should not be taken in the pregnancy. Vaccinations like HPV vaccinations, chickenpox vaccinations, rubella vaccinations are live vaccines and these are completely contraindicated during the pregnancy. Another important point is there are many myths about the vaccination, but believe me ladies, the vaccination will never cause the birth defect to the baby, it will not make the pregnancy go for a preterm delivery, neither it will cause the miscarriages for the female. They were the myths. Rather than that, a vaccination will definitely prevent a preterm delivery and low birth weight babies coming into the world. As a part of the healthcare system, here we are on the World Immunization Week, we are making the pregnant females aware regarding the vaccination and we are promoting a healthy and safe motherhood and a safe baby to this world. Thank you so much.